to additional safety regulations from OSHA, or the appropriate governing body for workplace safety in your country, and industry safety standards, notes about specific compounds in the welding fume which require additional ventilation, and where to go to get more information about the product. David, always practice caution so you don't have to be warned about dangers. Don't step in front of the screen. If you ever have a question about a product or tool you're using, go to lincolnelectric.com to find out the latest. Let's talk about how to read an SDS. SDS stands for Safety Data Sheet. It used to be called an MSDS for Material Safety Data Sheet, but we dropped the M.
So I wanted to show you that because the goal is to have video information before we get started for those who don't have no experience with welding. And then we'll have more educational information where I can go over each procedure that we'll be working on, give you more idea of what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, how a shop's supposed to be laid out, which is here, and they got the sheet here to kind of show you the answers to, you know, the ones that, okay, this is incorrect, this incorrect, why is that incorrect, and I kind of explain it to you so that way you'll know. Give you more concepts on why welds crack, your PPE, and career path tree. We can talk about a lot of things. So my goal is to give you educational information, hands-on skills, and also video. That way you can sit back and actually watch the information and get it in that way. See, the best way to learn is to read, is to listen, and to do. That's how you get your hold on things.